What's up? This is Mr. Mike with another computer life hack here. This is going to be a way that we can find the meaning of any word that you don't know, any kind of vocabulary you need for math, science, technology, anything like that. I'm going to show you how to use the Google Dictionary extension. As you can see, I'm glitching out because this is super secret stuff. All right. First, we're going to open a tab for Google. We're going to click in the search box. We're going to type a word that says dictionary. Dictionary. You're going to hit enter. It's going to bring up this search field here where it says search for a word. What do you want to look up? I'm going to put in a couple of math terms here just to show you how this works. First, we're going to look at variable. If you're in 7th and 8th grade math, you probably know what this means, but in case you don't, you're going to search variable, you're going to hit enter. It's going to give you a little speaker. You can listen to how to say this word.
Variable.
It'll also have a couple of definitions down at the bottom. Here we're going to look at the mathematics definition. We know a variable of a quantity is able to assume different numerical values, which means it's a number that we don't know what that number is yet, but we're going to find out. I'm going to go back up to this dictionary extension. I'm going to show you another word. Graphing. We know that a graph is a verb. We can listen to it.
Graph.
Now it's a different guy apparently. I don't know. Technology is crazy. We even have a readout of when graph was used in history. All right, it looks like it picked up in the 1950s, got super popular in the 2000s. So I'm going to choose one more. Again, you go to Google, you type in dictionary. You hit enter, it brings up the dictionary extension. Last one, we're going to look at, let's see, computing. We're going to find that computing is the use or operations of computers. All right. Again, we can do this for any word. If there's something you want to know, tell me in the comments, tell me in Facebook group, tell me in my inbox. I want to know. We're going to empower you to get these things done. Until then, this is Mr. Mike saying peace.